Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to share you how you can configure web clipper for Obsidian. From a couple of months I'm using Obsidian and all my data from Notion I export in it, and one of the best feature of Obsidian is its graph and its backlinking. It's a community plugin and I show you how you can use it. So if I go into here settings and then go for a community plugin and then click on a browser, here you have to search clipper. This is the clipper. And how you can install it? You first of all you have to install the clipper, right? You have to enable it and then close it and then go into web clipper, and here is options. Here you have to go and so here you click on and then you have to click download Chrome extension. Click here and it creates an extension with respect to your work and you have to start download it. To download it, I'm going to open it. Right, this is the Obsidian Word extension. So I'm going to extract it. So everything is extracted here, compressed and extension 2, right? Then I am going into my Chrome and then go for extensions. And before going to extension you have to enable developer mode, okay? And then you have to load unpack settings and core plugins, and you have to enable daily notes, right? And daily notes blank and okay. Open a daily note for today. Obsidian, select this folder and select folder. Extension loaded, right? This is the web clipper Obsidian Word 1.1. Refresh it and then go back to Chrome, and from here I'm going to pin this. So this is the Chrome extension. Now second thing, you have to go on Obsidian, close it, select here, and I copied this area and then click here. It asked me to open the Obsidian. You can see it is copied here in a daily log. Now you can copy and move as per your requirement. I'm going to show you again, and there it is. What is Amar Fati? And I select it and then click on clipper. It asked me to open, click on OK, and you can see it gave me the link, blog link, title link, and whatever area I selected that it copied into Obsidian. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in another video.